Hello everyone, how are you and welcome back. So for today's video, I am actually going to be using the nail cards from Selena Ryden. And this month's Moonflair challenge is pull a set of cards and use those for a Valentine's Day set inspiration. I already shuffled all the cards, so let's turn them over and see what I get. So first I'm going to go in with Jimmy Gel, and I'm going to use this as a clear base so that way the glitter has something to adhere onto. The glitter I'm using is called Sugar Frosting, and it is from Moonflair. It is part of their winter collection. I'm just going to put a thin base of the Jimmy Gel down. Once I get it on all 4 nails, then you're going to see me pour this gorgeous glitter all over them. So as you can see, I'm pouring the glitter into a tray and I have my nail pointed down, and I like to have my clients do this, that way the glitter is not, I know where the glitter is going, and then I just tap off the extra. Once I do this to all 4 nails, I'm gonna pop the nails in the lamp for a full cure of 60 seconds. After I'm done with all the glitter pouring and everything, I'm gonna go in with the Fluff Daddy brush from my Elegance, and I'm literally just gonna brush away any of the loose glitter after the glitter and the gel have been properly cured. After I fluff everything away, I'm gonna go in with Jimmy Gel from my Elegance, and I'm gonna do a thin layer on top, and then I'm gonna use the perfect file, and I'm gonna use the 180 grit, and I'm just gonna file everything to get a nice like matte smooth surface before I go in with my Sharpie markers, yes, Sharpie markers, to do some really cool nail art. So after I'm done filing, in a second you're going to see how everything turned out, and then I'm going to use the Sharpie markers right on top of a nice buffed surface. I'm using 4 different colors. I don't know the names of them because these are Sharpies. So these are the colors that I am using. I'm just going to randomly place this. I'm going to do this on 1 nail to show you. I'm just going to randomly place this around. With all of these colors. Gonna get randomly placed on here. Okay, so once they're randomly placed on here like this, I'm gonna go in next with the block brush, and it looks like this. It is slightly all messed up. I have a lint-free wipe, and I also have the Light Elegance Pro Cleanser in front of me. Going to literally rub out these colors with the brush. And when you do something like this, you want an old brush. You don't want anything like new, because you don't want to ruin new brushes. Let your clients know that this might be messy and, you know, might be slightly dirty. When I want to clean up my skin, because as you can see, now I have, after I did all of that, I have ink all over my fingers. So I'm just gonna go in and clean this up with the brush. Okay, and now after I did this, I'm gonna do this on the rest of my nails. That I'm all done with this part, I'm going to go in and put a matte top coat over everything, and then let's go in for the nail art. Just to remind everyone, this is what my Elements card looks like. So on my thumb, what I did is I added some of the X and O's, and then I added the girl power on my thumb, and this is what I have. So I'm gonna do nail art on these two, and I might leave these two blank, and I might leave these two just matte like the way they are, because these two matte kind of actually look really cool. So I'm gonna do the nail art on these two, and I'm gonna do the lips. So during this half of the video, you're going to see later on, I do have slight camera trouble, and I'm going to apologize now. I first started going in with the Just White buttercream and drawing everything. I originally thought that I wanted the lips white with like a soft outline. Then part of the way through, I decided I didn't like it anymore. Instead of just filing off everything, and I don't want to start from scratch, I ended up putting a silver metallic buttercream on top of the white. I outlined everything in black, and I will list all the products used. So if you don't see everything, I'm sorry. At the end of the video, you will see a really nice close-up shot of how the lips and everything turned out. As I said, part of the way filming this, I got slightly frustrated, and then I was off shot for a huge chunk of this video, so I apologize now, but please enjoy the rest of the video. Just a reminder, these are the cards that I pulled out, and in a second you're going to see how everything turned out. I decided to use my macro lens to give you a nice, like, really good close-up shot of what my nails looked like. And I have to say, even through some of my frustrations, because I don't do a lot of hand-drawn nail art, I actually really do like how this set turned out. As usual, everything that I use will be listed in the description box below, and enjoy. Talk to you later. Bye.